Hi everyone! Today we're making Cantonese Style Lobster with ginger and scallion at home. First step is to prep the ingredients. Here are the ingredients we need. Peel and slice ginger into pieces. Peel and crush the garlics. Chop green onions, aka scallions, into chunks. Now we'll clean the lobster. Cut off the lobster swimmerets. I am using 3 lobster tails. You can use the whole lobster as well, but using the gutted lobster tails will save us a lot of prep time and also very easy for us to consume. Slip both sides of the shell in the middle. Then split the lobster tail into half. Chop each side into 3 to 4 pieces. The lobster tail I bought is already gutted. You'll need to remove the guts and grits if you're dealing with a live lobster. Coat each piece with some cornstarch, which will keep the lobster meat juicy and also provide a nice crust. Moving on to step 2, deep fry the lobster. In a small pot, add some oil. Turn on high heat. A simple way to test the oil temperature is to stick in the tip of the chopsticks. When bubbles start to form around the chopsticks, the oil is hot enough for deep frying. Carefully put in the battered lobster. Let it deep fry for about 15 seconds. Then drain the oil and take it out. You can see the lobster shell turns bright red and a nice crust has been formed around the meat. Last step is to stir fry. In a wok, heat up a little bit of oil. It could be the oil we used previously for deep frying. Then add in the garlic and ginger. Let it sizzle for a minute. Also some scallion whites. Now add in the deep fried lobster chunks. Stir fry to mix all the flavors and ingredients. Turn down the heat. Pour in Shaoxing cooking wine to take out the fishiness of the lobster. Some soy sauce to add a little bit saltiness. I used the seasoned soy sauce for seafood, but regular soy sauce would do as well. And oyster sauce to add some savory flavor. Pour in a bowl of boiled hot water, put on the lid, let everything simmer for about 2 minutes. In the meantime, dissolve the rest cornstarch in some cold water. Then add in the starch water mixture and turn on high heat to thicken the broth. Last but not least, add in the scallions. And sugar. Blend well. And there it is, Cantonese Style Lobster. You can also add the dish onto boiled Cantonese egg noodles, then you'll get the classic Cantonese lobster noodles. The lobster is tender, saucy, and very well spiced with garlic and scallion. Hope you enjoy this dish and stay tuned for more videos like this.